beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today matter na about one Edo actress we just meme of recent now. We just meme today, so the thing just shocked me, like seriously. The thing really shocked me when I just see Ebony post the picture. I say, oh God. I not to know the girl for film industry. I not to just know her like that because it be like saying a new girl. You understand? Because when Ebony even post the picture, people they comment. You know, people they say the girl say people be want follow Esther Edokpayi sing. You understand? So this one just can't happen. The thing really they very, very touching and painful. You understand? Very, very painful. I say, God, we don't feel ask you why. You know the best. You know why the thing really happened. Why she gone so soon like this. Very, very painful. Very, very painful, my darling people. The thing, it just shocked everybody. You understand? Very, very painful. May I so rest the perfect peace, Unoma, and then Unoma. Very, very painful. I not to see many of our pictures, but this one, when I just see, I say, man, take give them rest in peace. You know, why be say if person don't die, like you call the popular. This lady, so why una not fair they bring the picture come out before? Or when we even know her? Nobody even know her. Eh? You should not even remember now before people come even they know her now. You understand? Our Edo actress them. We love una. More they celebrate each other. More they bring una safe. So that maybe they know now. Not be one dog me person you can't they know now. No, it's not like that. More they cooperate. You see this girl with me now. She be not know say she go me that day. She be not know. But now she don't me. Eh? More they cooperate, more both quarrel, make all of una they play because I they see say some they do their own, some they do their own. You understand? Make all of una they play, more be the one I be before. What should be this quarrel? Quarrel will be say, am I then walk back way? You don't know who will be the next person tomorrow. No. So because of quarrel here, people I not just understand. Before this one, Edo industry be not be like this before. But now, this one go do you, this one go do you, this one go do you. Now so you just can't be. It's not good. Eh? It's not good at all. Marry all. Why couldn't waka before? Make everybody they play the way it be before. Not be the way it can't be now at all. It's not just good at all. Eh? More they play. When you don't even know who be the next tomorrow. This lady now, this girl wait me mess now. I never really see her, she with everybody just snap picture together, or she with a lady of song, or one of una, or this girl, what they call her? What they call this girl? Sandra. I never see any of them. But she don't me now everybody post the picture. You understand? So make all of una they cooperate, more na they play the one na be before. Make all of una they play, more na both quarrel. See this girl now don't me na it don't go. It don't go. Before how many days now they don't forget her. Don't be so this lady where sick me that day too now. Eh? She be all of una don't forget her. Nobody they talk about her again now. That's so it be. Now so it just be. What the person they pray for now, make God just give person long life. That person they pray for. You understand? So it is very, very painful. I just pity for her family. And I pray make God just give a family the mind to bear the loss. Because it's not really easy. And I hear say she get one pikin. I say, I thank God. She even still gets one pikin. We go see the whether they look, they remember her. You understand? So, my darling people, if somebody they alive, make we see they celebrate them, they see them too. More una way famous for the industry. More na see they bring their come out so that maybe they see them. Because I believe say this girl not to just dey popular for film like that. And make many of us not to know am, you understand? So una wey be say una don already fair know am, una don already fair know her, una still dey bring dem come out. May I so rest in perfect peace. May I so rest in perfect peace. I really just like, because the girl is very, very beautiful and young. Very, very beautiful and young. But only God can't really know why the thing just happened like this. Only God now know. Only God. May I so rest in perfect peace, Mama. I pray, may God give your family the mind to bear the loss. May you just give them the mind to bear the loss, because what just happened so they're very, very painful. Very, very painful. Because I hear they say she's sick. Now she take memeso. And maybe the sickness not even serious like that too. She don't go. And so it just be God. You give us long life. Now how we call the cry for. Now we press the wait meme again. Hold up meme, it don't go. But now your own, and you come to pray for. May God give you long life. So my ogbonge people, if this one Edo film so one at the art, one they see they bring on self out, the ones who are popular. I want you to use this video to advise them. The one will be say it already, they hear your name already. May you see they try, they bring their comments, maybe they know them, one they call their name, you understand? So that we go see they share their film, see they share what that they do. Maybe say we not they even they see anything that they do. If they don't meme, you can't they see rest in peace, gone so soon, we miss you, we do this. But when the person they are alive, we not they see am with you, you go they feel too big. You don't go they say, okay, maybe you even carry a near body, but when you go up meme, you can't they see all of them. They'll come they post a picture, they'll come they cry, they'll come they put cry, they put this, you know. So I just pray for the family to just get the mind, may they take bear the loss, because it's not really easy. And she gets pikin. May God just give the family money, may they take care of that baby, because now that baby now, you understand, who don't go, it don't go. Person they go, not go remember say get pikin again, and so it just be. So thank you, my darling people. Wanna help me give her the last respect and just give her rest in peace, Mama. Rest in peace.